Hey everybody. Well, this is Terry with Terry's Travels, and I'm leaving in like 5 days to go back into Florida and do some camping. And yes, I'm headed to Disney. Disney and Universal Studios. But I'm going to be doing all my camping, and I won't be getting a room or anything like that. So all of my van camping is going to be fun. So I've got a lot of things to show y'all. I've got some gadget updates, and I was going to give y'all a tour of my van again and show you where I've got placed where. And I'm so excited for this video, y'all. I'm so excited for this trip. So let's look at my van. So before we get started with the van tour, I just want y'all to know that I have linked all the links, everything that I bought for my van. I have linked it below in the description. So be sure and look there. If there's something that you're interested in, at least you can have a look-see at what I bought and see if it may be something you're interested in buying. So this is my 2024 Chrysler Pacifica minivan, and I have converted it into a camper, and it's like a no-build conversion. I'm very proud of that, y'all. First of all, let's look at underneath the bed. This box holds all of my mats and my tablecloths and things that I need for outside. And also, if I hadn't put one in here yet, I need to put a tarp in there. This right here is part of my kitchen. It has my electric skillet, it has some salt and pepper and some canned goods in there. This bin right here is also part of my kitchen. It's where I keep my bowls and my plates and my utensils, and it holds my chaffle and all the things that I need to either cook with. I've got cookware in there, and then I've got, like I said, I've got utensils to eat with. Down here I've got my little curtain that I keep, that I string across here at nighttime so that nobody can look in. And but yeah, so that's all my kitchen stuff. That right there is, I have my portable toilet. It's in the black box right there. This pink bag has everything that I need for my toilet, as far as like bags and toilet paper. I also have some rabbit pellets that I put down in there. And I do have some of that solidifying gel in that bag too. So it's just whatever I want to use that day or whatever. So here's my trash can, and I keep this trash can in here all of the time, whether I'm using this to camp in or if I even need to put my seats up. I've always got my trash can there. So over here is my window shades. You can see right here behind the pillow. I've already got one of the blackout shades up there, and so that's just to keep people from being able to look in at me at nighttime. So if I'm stealth camping, which is, I do a lot of that in the wintertime, especially when I'm in Florida, I can put those up and nobody can see in. And I mean, I can't see out, but they can't see in either. So that's really nice. Now, when I pack up all of my clothes, and I'll have a small cooler right up here in front with me, so I'll have access to drinks and water and things like that. But my clothes will go up here, and also my my shower bag. I'll put that up here with me too. So this is my closet, so to speak. So yeah, my shoes and things like that. I also keep my camera and everything that I need for my camera up here too. So, but let's walk back here to the back. Also, I do want to mention again that everything that I have that I've shown y'all, I have put a link in the description down below so that you can check that out in case there's something you feel like you're going to want to need. And so I just wanted to mention that. Okay, and this right here, this is my garage. It holds extension cords. It holds things like screens for both of my doors. All of my windows, I have window screens for, so that I can let down my windows and it'll be, you know, a breeze can come through when I let down my windows, and I don't have to worry about flies getting in. And but all of this, I've got outside lights in there for my canopy tent. Just, anything I need from the outside, it's in here. But yeah, let's move on to my BLUETTI. Y'all, I'm so proud of this. I hadn't really gotten, since I bought it a couple of months ago, I've not really had the opportunity to use it because I've always been where I had shore power or whatever. But this time when I go to Florida, I'm going to be doing a lot of stealth camping, so I'm going to be able to take advantage of this. I am so excited for that. When I'm not using the 12 volt over here, then I'll be using this right here. I can make my coffee in the morning. I can blow dry my hair. I can charge up all of my devices right here in this one place. I am so excited for that, y'all. You just don't know. And then my friends from Bodega, they reached out to me through email and asked me if I would do a review. And I said, of course I will. They said, well, if you do, then you can do the review and then you can keep the refrigerator. So here's the refrigerator, y'all. I've not had a chance to use it yet, but guess what? I'm going to use it. This next trip's going to be really, really cool. It works off a 12 volt too. So either I can plug it in here while I'm rolling down the road, or my BLUETTI has a 12 volt right here. And also, I got, let me show you. Let's see. Also, look at it. Is this not perfect? Look at it. Oh, I'm so proud of it. This is going to keep everything I got cool. I'm going to just have to tell y'all, ice in Florida is very expensive. I don't understand that. But it's sky high. And but this right here is going to save me some money right here, just having this little refrigerator. And look, it's even got a freezer in it. Ta-da! Proud of that. But anyway, so what I did is I bought this. And it's a converter. So, and it's really, I bought it for the Bodega cooler because once I get somewhere and I can get shore power, then I can plug the 12 volt into here, and then I'll have this to plug into. And this is it's called a switch power. And so this is what I'm going to be using whenever I'm camping that I have actual shore power. This is what I'll be using. I'll set up my canopy tent, and I'm going to pull the refrigerator out, and I'll put a couple of sides up on my canopy tent. I'll set this up on the inside, and I'll plug it into here, and I'll plug it into the electrical power source wherever I'm staying. So I thought that was pretty cool. I am so excited about that. Also, I broke my heatable lunchbox when I was on my last trip. I didn't realize I'd broke it. I dropped it. When I got it home, I was going to try just to plug it in and heat something up just to see if it would work, because I did drop it. And of course it broke. So I turned around and I bought this right here. This is a crock pot. It's just like the heatable lunchbox, but it heats up too. And let me show you. It's got a little handle. Uh-oh. Can't set it there. Let's set it right here. And it's got a top to it. And there it is. Do y'all ever use the liners that come, that you can buy for the crock pots? So that you don't have to scrape and soak and whatever after you've cooked something in it? Well, I bought some of those, and I cut them down to kind of hopefully fit this little crock pot. So here they are, and what I did is I just folded them up. I cut them first to kind of halfway fit into this crock pot. That way when I dunk my food in there, all I got to do is when I get through using it, I just lift the baggie out, and it stays just as clean as if I've never used it. And then what I decided to do is I'm just sticking everything inside there, and then I just put the top on it, and I'm ready to go. Put the lid on it, top on it, and then I'm ready to go. Y'all, I think this is going to work out much better than my heatable lunchbox. I like this thing. And also, look at underneath. Look, so the cord is wrapped around the base of the crock pot, and it just wraps just like this. That's nice and convenient, isn't it? And look, it's small. So guess what? It's going to work really well in my van because I don't have a whole lot of space, and this is going to work out perfectly. I'm so proud of that. I almost forgot to mention my bed. Goodness gracious. Okay, my bed is a lifetime table, and I bought crib sheets to put on it. Let me show y'all. This is crib sheet. This is a crib sheet. And also, let's see if I can find right here. Yeah, this is like a sheet holder. I don't know what you call these things, but anyway, they clamp down on my sheets on either side, and that keeps these my bed from moving, I guess. I have memory foam up under here, which has made my bed really, really comfy. I put my bed in this direction simply because I'm not very tall. I'm 5 feet. And this works out perfectly for me because you see all this room over here? So I'll put this blanket here, or I'll put something there and build it up. And that way I'll have plenty of room for my feet. On either side, I probably have another good foot, I would say, of room. So when I lay down at nighttime, I have plenty of room. I can stretch out, and it's very comfortable, very easy to sleep in. I guess being short does have its perks, right? But like I said, you know, the bed is very comfortable. This is my chair, and I sit down in it at nighttime, and when I want to just do some editing, or I just want to lay back and watch something on my computer, a video or something on my computer. But this is a very, very comfortable, and it gives me plenty of room. I can stretch my little legs out and not feel like I'm cramped. And also I have my fairy lights right here. And I've got them, I don't know if you can see, but I've got them strung out all the way around. And at nighttime, y'all, these little fairy lights give off such a nice little vibe. You know, you can light them up, and it's a soft light, and it feels so comfortable and so relaxing. When I'm in this van and I'm out of town, this is like an extension of my home. I feel very comfortable in here, and I'm very happy, and like I said, I'm very comfortable, and I love camping in my van. I love my van. Well, I hope that y'all will join me in my next few videos, because I will be in Florida. I will be doing a lot of stealth camping. I will be doing a lot of Disney and a lot of Universal. I'm very excited about that. Disney is absolutely beautiful this time of year. They decorate for Christmas, and the resorts are absolutely, I mean, they're breathtaking. They're just beautiful. So hopefully y'all will join me. But thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me. And yeah, y'all join me, because the next few videos are going to be really, really good. They're going to be exciting. They're going to be adventurous. So join me, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.